Hey gorgeous, what is up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video, we are trying new products, not a full face, but we have enough to do a video, if that makes sense. We have some good products, some new, some are just really cool products. So subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for clicking on me, and I hope you enjoy this video. I know I look crazy. I know. This is all the vibes right now. Ice cold Red Bull, crisp, the best. Cozy Skims robe, super warm, but lightweight at the same time. And a hair in a roller. Does it get any better? I don't think so. Delish. I literally have the most random face of trying new products. I haven't bought a full face in a while, like a full face of new, because I'm not sure if it's my fault or makeup's fault. Just cause, well, I haven't found anything where I'm like, that I want to try that. Like, I haven't found a full face of products that make me do that. So I know at the beginning of my YouTube it was like, try everything, and now I am tired of seeing products that I literally used once, and that's a wrap. Try it. I could ask for a sample, but we are gonna try the Cali Ray skin tint. We're gonna do the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions eyeshadow palette, Makeup by Mario soft sculpting bronzer. Like, we have a good amount. We're gonna throw on these effortless lashes from Velour, which I'm really curious about. We've got this Ilia lip and cheek product, lip liner. I mean, we have a good amount, enough to make a video. So that's what we're gonna do. Skincare is done. I'm gonna go in with this primer, not new, but it is fabulous, from Wet n Wild, the Impossible silicone free primer that is really similar to the Tarte Timeless primer, but cost way less. We are not getting ready really for anything. It's just when I do get ready, I feel, well, I know I am so much more productive. So let's get ready and have a productive day. I'm telling you, even just putting on mascara, it helps. So Cali Ray, this is, I believe, $39. Like, it was not a cheap little skin tint. Mine is in the shade 8, and it is a clean product. It is also from the founder of Urban Decay. So all of the products from this line, Cali Ray, they're all clean, and that's the difference between Urban Decay and Cali Ray. All clean, all sustainable. So I'm just gonna give this a shake, and we're gonna put it on with a foundation brush just like I would any other skin tint. Does have oil in it. Skin Wellness Diffusing Tint, clean foundation. It does have oil in it, so be wary of that. Give it a good shake before applying. So that's a good amount of coverage. I like that. Ooh, that was a lot. This looks really good, and for me to be as obsessed with skin tints as I am, if you know, you know, this is actually it's good coverage for a skin tint. It's on the upper level of coverage in the skin tint category, if that makes any sense. So you're getting a little more coverage than normal. Definitely has a glow to it. Looks really good. Blendable, melted into the skin easily. And yeah, it does have a tint and it has some coverage. Looks nice. I'm gonna throw on some concealer, and this is the Lancome full coverage all over concealer. This concealer blends so beautifully. Like, it's that natural, like, this is actually how I look, but elevated. Putting this on top of a skin tint is magic. Just pure magic. Mwah, chef's kiss. Okay, skin is looking really good. Really good. I know I already have so many setting powders open, but since we are trying new things, I mean, this isn't a new product, but it is for the 25th anniversary of Laura Mercier. So it is her jumbo, like, OG setting powder. The setting powder that started it all in my book. And it comes with a velour puff, and you get this huge, beautifully packaged setting powder. This one is in the this one is the translucent honey, and it looks like this. So, like, the packaging is stunning. It is absolutely, it's just so beautiful. So we need to open it and we need to use it. I'm gonna set my under eyes before trying our new bronzer. Okay, let's see here. Perfecto, looks beautiful. Normally I would set this, I would go in with my beauty blender, or I would go in with this beauty blender puff. It's called the, I think it's a pocket puff or something. You can put your fingers right in there and then just go in with your powder. But today we will be bougie and go in with this velour puff. So soothing. So, a cute little moment, but I like my other application tools better, just to be honest. But it was a cute moment. This is a beautiful setting powder if you're looking for one that is just flawless on your skin, blurs, perfects, and you need a lot of it. 25th anniversary, Laura Mercier. Okay, Makeup by Mario, you are up next. This is the Soft Sculpt Bronzer, and this one is in the shade Dark. It is a matte formula. It is a very soft, creamy formula. I did swatch it in a haul, but I have not put it on my face, so that's what today is for. This is the packaging, typical Makeup by Mario. Got the shade Dark. Honestly, it looks on the verge of being, it's like a dark terracotta-y color. It's definitely got some red undertones, so I need to be really careful as I apply this. I'm gonna start with a light, fluffier brush. This is from Bling Brushes. This is their F5. And I'm just gonna start, whoa, can y'all see that? Lots of kickback, so be careful. Product kicks up really quickly. Picks up on your brush as well, so be sure. I'm gonna move to this side. Let me just place some pigment and see, because clearly the color is there. I actually enjoy getting darker bronzers being too dark for me, because it just makes your contour more sharp. It is a learning curve. I would not say that is a beginner friendly technique to go with. But once you learn what brushes to use, like this one is perfect to just place your pigment and see what you're working with. And it's also perfect for after placing pigment, taking it by the end of the brush very lightly. I'm using 3 fingers and just doing the swirling motions and spreading the pigment that you just placed. You definitely want a loose, free-flowing hand when you're going in with product that is too dark. It's going to make your face look so much more sharp than, say, like a soft summer bronze color that is maybe 2 shades darker than your skin tone, if that makes any sense. And one of the main keys, aside from holding it very lightly, is to continuously blend. I think I will make a video on, you know, why I and how I use bronzer that's too dark. Because once you learn this technique, it will really help you create different, sharper, more fierce looks. It's a good thing to know in the makeup world. It's a good thing to have under your belt. Okay, so I guess today we are doing some pretty prominent brows. That was not intentional. So my Sephora inside JCPenney's is turning into a Sephora inside Kohl's. So a lot of their things every time I go in are on like major sale because they're trying to get rid of stuff. Well, last time I went in there, they had like everything Urban Decay was on clearance, like 75% off. So I got their brow stuff. And I like stocked up. I bought backups for the backups for the backups. And I didn't realize how dark this brow gel was. Beautiful brow gel. And this is for definitely when I want to be like bold and like boom. I have Italian brows right now, which I love it. I mean, whatever. We're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it moving. So we might get to the end of this look and it looks beautiful and we love the brows. So let's do our eyeshadow now. This is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension eyeshadow palette. This is new to me, but not new to the community. When it was new to the community, it kept being sold out. So that's why I didn't get it sooner, but it's so pretty. Y'all, I had to get it. Please look. That is so beautiful. This is the perfect, like you've got your warmer browns. Oh, so gorgeous. So I don't even have a plan. We've got one shimmer, looks like, no, we've got two shimmers and then we've got some pressed glitters in here, some metallics in there. So I'm not gonna do anything fancy since this video is not only about this palette, but the colors, like, oh, so beautiful. So first I'm gonna go in with this right here and we're gonna throw it right on the crease. The pigment, the colors, oh my gosh, like cannot wait to finish this other eye. Ooh, and just so you know, because I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on these Effortless lashes from Velour, and we'll see how this eye look turns out. I'm not even going anywhere today, but I just got carried away. Like the ease of that palette and the colors. So much. Like you can do it up or you can tone it down and just have an everyday look, but I mean, I just had to. Done. Okay, so that escalated quickly. We went pretty dramatic. This palette is everything. 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 It is fire. These glitters, they're like metallics and they are so creamy. You can see like the indentation where I put my brush and I put my finger, like the creaminess and the smoothness of these pressed metallics. Like, oh my gosh, and the mattes are so creamy and blendable. I just had to go for something a little more dramatic. And you can see the Effortless lashes, they went on like a breeze. And I do like how they're just fluffy. They add a fluff. There's not a lot of length to them, but there is volume and fluff. So if you aren't very happy with your natural lashes just as is, these are a great way to kind of give them that good push, give them that good umph. Now let's go into the Color Haze Multi-Use Pigment. I know during the haul I said I was probably just going to use them as a lip, but when in Rome. When in Rome. So this is cheek and cheek and lip pigment with a Zamac tip, and we're just going to see what this does on the cheek. Typically I like a little brighter, spreads like a dream. So that's good for kind of a touch and go type situation. I like that. That blended very easily. And now let's just do some lip. We're going to go in with this lip crayon from Natasha Denona. Y'all know I love Natasha Denona and her nude situation. This is in the shade NB1 Michelle. And let's just line our lips. That is why I love Natasha Denona. Her nudes are perfect. Like, mwah, how? That's beautiful. It is a nude. It is very skin-like, creamy. If you just want that natural glam, this is your girl. This Natasha. It's all you need. That is such a beautiful color. So this may not go very well together, but we're here, we're trying new things, whatever. This is from Huda Beauty, and this is her new reformulated liquid matte liquid lipstick. And this is in the shade Sugar Boo. You can see it's like a caramely, in the brown family. So I don't know how it's gonna look with this lip liner, but we're just gonna throw it on and we can always fix it. So we're trying new things. What evs? Well, maybe let's see what this does. I love the MAC tip. It's just that cooling sensation. It's perfect. Super creamy, almost balmy feeling. So this is a cute little moment. I mean, it's a nice, natural, everyday look. But let's see what Sugar Boo does for us. What a beautiful brown. I love that formula. I really, really do. So beautiful. Obsessed. I love like a neutral glam. Like glam all over, but neutral style. Love it. Obsessed. Like neutral colors are just my thing. Where am I going? Nowhere. Oh my gosh, so this is certainly more of a fierce look than I was planning to do. This is really dramatic, but I'm digging it. I really like it. There wasn't a product today that I tried that I was like, no, not gonna work. So far from first impressions and really enjoying the Cali Ray skin tint, that Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette is like stand out for me. And the color of the Huda Beauty with this, like these two together, that's a beautiful, beautiful mix. My lips look juicy, plump, like so gorgeous. Loving the lashes. Again, I think it'd be great for an everyday look, which clearly isn't today. And this sculpting bronzer, let me add a little bit more. Get a little more fierce, may as well, if we're gonna do it, go all the way. Really sculpt out that face. Like, I think today was such a win. Got some good products. We are looking fierce with nowhere to go. Those are the best days. Let me know what you think down below. What your favorite product was. What else is new out there that we should try? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Join my beauty YouTube family. All things happy and dramatic today, clearly. I will see you in the next video. Bye.